Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be baking a vanilla cake. I know you all like my cooking videos, so I'm like, let me do more of these videos. So you're going to need your flour, you're going to need your eggs, any eggs that you have, and then you're going to need your baking powder. You're going to need your milk, any milk that you have, any milk of your choice, and then you're going to need sugar. I prefer the white sugar, but we have brown sugar on the house. And then you're going to need your unsalted butter or your margarine to do this method. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the liquid stuff, which are your eggs. Break them here because I have two bowls actually. By the way, I have this bowl and then I have this one for the flour and everything. Yeah, and then we're gonna come to the sugar. I'm gonna add like around 4 spoons. Great. And then we're gonna add some vanilla essence if you have it, right, because it's gonna be vanilla-licious. So we need to add our butter, unsalted butter. We're just gonna add some 1 stroke of our unsalted butter. So now while I let my butter melt, I'm gonna do the flour. So I'm going to use this cup to measure. Let me show you guys the cup. It's just a small cup that you can use from your home. Okay, make sure you make it full. Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna add it on my bowl, and then I'm gonna add 1 last more cup of flour. So this is my flour. I'm gonna add some baking powder, and then I'm gonna add some pinch of salt, and then give it a mix. So I'm gonna add the 1 spoon of baking powder. Yeah, 1 spoon. Right. Then we're gonna come to our salt, our identified table salt. So now I'm gonna give it a mix. So the baking powder will be mixed with the flour. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, right. So now this is the watery stuff. I'm gonna mix it with the dry stuff, which is my flour. I hope the flour is enough here. I am hopeful that it is enough as I am mixing, because okay, I think it's mixing well. I don't know, let's keep on mixing. Let's keep on mixing. Let's mix and mix and mix. So as I am mixing, I will also have to add my milk. So yeah, but let's mix first and see how it goes. The butter didn't melt too much, so I must keep on mixing so it won't be like this, you know. Yeah, I'm just baking a small vanilla cake to be eaten for breakfast. I'm actually not a baker, but I love baking. I also love cooking, something that I have never loved growing up, but now I am developing some feelings. Okay, chill. Okay, so we're gonna mix and mix and mix. I think we have to add the milk. So now I come back. This is mixed, it's well mixed. I'm just gonna add milk to make it a little bit watery. Yeah, but you can see what it's mixed so well, and I love that. So we're gonna shake our milk. Open. Right, it's opened. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit, not too much, right? Because we just want to make, we just want to make our dough to be watery. Okay, now I must find a way to work with mixing the dough with milk, right? You will just feel it, you know. The milk, I won't measure it, but you will just keep on adding the milk until you find the right consistency. I don't know how to explain it, but you will keep on adding the milk until you feel like it's watery. You will keep on adding the milk to your satisfaction. I don't know how to explain it, but I think you all understand what I'm trying to say. I think you all do. So I'm gonna come back after it. So now I am ready to get going. So this is my baking wrap or paper, the one that you put in your pan so it won't have to stick. It don't have to be sticky. So this is the pan that I'm going to use. It's one for banana cake, right? So I don't know how to cut this because it's not fitting all the way in, or I don't like this wrapping paper thing, to be honest. But at home I grew up, we were using this thing, especially for dombo and some bread, you know. Now it's ready to pour. I think I must pour like around. Shit. What is happening? Where is this thing? Here. Okay. Right. Who's ready for this? You all aren't ready, okay? You all aren't ready. I tell you, you are not ready. I beg you read. You know that song?